Good evening. This is the second video related to dot operator in EL expression. And for this demo is when the first thing before the dot is an attribute in one scope. The scope means page, request, session, and application scope. Actually, we already see this demo, okay? But I want to show you again, just quickly, okay? So let's go to our code. Let me close all of them. So here, in our employee servlet, here I have two employee, right? Two employee, okay? Now suppose I create another employee.jsp, okay? To differentiate them, actually the same employee.jsp, okay? And now here we are using request.get request dispatcher, and here using employee.jsp forward, okay? And the request response, okay? And now I have two employees here, and both of them are in the request scope. Let me change one of them to be in the session scope. And the application and the page scope are the same, okay? Same as when we talk about a single word, like here, page scope, same, okay? Here, okay? So I have one is request scope, the other one is session scope, okay? Employee, EMP1. We're using employee 1 and employee 2, okay? Control C, Control V, Control V, okay? Employee 1 has address, employee 2 doesn't have address. Here I will also using employee 1, and the other one I will using employee 2, okay? So it's clear, right? Now I cannot change, because if I change here, the other EMP doesn't work. Okay, I don't want to change it here. The key one is EMP, the other one is EMP2, okay? If I change it, this EMP JSP won't work anymore. So, but anyway, this is employee 1, this is employee 2. Employee 1 has address, employee 2 doesn't have address. So now in our employee.jsp, this one I want to copy a title from here. Dot operator. Okay, and go back to the go back to the ID. Okay, and I will remove till here like this. Very good. Okay, just like this, fine. And now let's grab the value employee 1, okay? 1, and here we are using paragraph, and here we can grab information about employee 1, okay? How to do? Using emp dot, because emp is attribute, which is this attribute key, okay? Emp dot first name, emp id, first name, last name, okay? Dot emp id. What's the emp id? Okay, like this way, PID, and then $sign emp dot first name, okay? Make sure they are equal to by convention. If everything is set by convention, it's gonna be your property name, which is this property name. If you didn't follow the convention, take a look at your get method. The get method not consider get, okay? After get, those words gonna be the property name, but the first letter gonna be lowercase. That's it. Last name. Okay, so this is employee first name, and the next one is the address about employee address, okay? Address, and it's gonna be from emp dot address dot street, okay, space, and dot emp dot address emp.city, okay, and comma emp.address.state, like this way. And for emp2, okay, emp2, employee 2, okay, we're using emp, not using emp, here using emp2. We can change using emp2, emp2, emp2. We can still trying to grab address, but since employee 2 doesn't have address, so all of them gonna be ignored, which means this gonna be ignored, this gonna be ignored, this gonna be ignored. Okay, now we add a link in index.jsp to check the actual value. Okay, actually it's this one. Okay, because the servlet here we are using employee servlet. Okay, we just change it to forward to employee.jsp. And here if display, okay, it will go, everything is good. Now let's redeploy. Okay, now let's go back to our browser. We go to the homepage and display employee info. You will see employee 1, all the information is displayed and address. But for the employee 2, we only has the information, don't have information for the address. So all the expression are ignored. Okay, got it? This one. Okay, so this is employee JSP. Okay, and what I want to say something. Oh, here. Suppose here I have a toString method. Let's generate. Okay, like this way. Okay, like this, generate. And in your JSP, if you want to display, there's another way to display. Let's take address. Okay, we just display emp.address. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, okay, now let's go back to our browser. We can refresh. Can you see? When we're using address, this is actually print the toString method. In ER expression, when the address is an object in employee, right? See here, address is an object. By default, it's gonna be the location, which is address in the GRE. But now if you have a toString method overridden, it's gonna be the format in your toString. Okay, so no matter what, this address is gonna display toString method. But the default toString method is just the location. And if you override, it's gonna display this one. Okay, the overridden version. Okay, that's the last thing I want to show you. So, okay, we are done for this demo, and hope you understand the dot operators well now. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.